It's Monday, it's 4:30 in the morning. We've got another busy week. Let's get into it and do a vlog. Last week was horrendous, and so was the week before, come to think of it. Our feet haven't touched the ground. It has been extremely busy. Obviously the sun comes out, everybody wants air conditioning, everybody wants solar and batteries. It has just been non-stop. This week, we've got a little bit of a quieter week. And when I say quieter, I don't mean that quiet. Today we're off to Kendal. So 4:30 start to load up to get to Kendal for an Anker Solix installation. Tomorrow we have a second fix on a SIG Energy battery installation. We've also got a 14 panel SIG Energy system going in tomorrow and Wednesday. Wednesday we've got an Anker Solix X1 gateway to put onto an existing system we did. Thursday we've got full air conditioning. Friday we've got 9 panels in roof and a Tesla Powerwall 3. Yeah, and in between all of that, we've still got to run the business, do our sales calls, service our existing customers, order stock, maintain stock levels, keep our sanity. Yeah, it's going to be quite difficult, but at least it's easier than last week. I'm going to go and load up for today, get everything in the van. One thing we've not got though is the EV charger for today, which throws a spanner in the works. However, I'll load up what we have got and let's get on the road. First job of the week, we're here. We've got an Anker Solix X1 going in. Alex is just marking up the bracket to get that on. Nick's already started on the roof. We're 2.5 hours away from home, so we're going for a big push today. Should be a nice straightforward job. Let me show you around and we can see what we're up to. Getting our way into the back garden. Nick's on with the roof up there. So there's 14 panels of long E480s going up on the roof. 2 rows of 7. Solar skirt as always. Nick's just grinded out the tiles now. So all going on in this job. First install of the week. Fingers crossed it goes smoothly. Customer seems to think there's some spare ways in the DB, so that will save us a bit of time maybe. If not, we'll put our own board on. It's got 2 5 kilowatt Anker batteries, Anker 6 kilowatt inverter, Anker EV charger, which we're gonna have to come back and install. Yeah, a lot to get on with. Let's get into it. Quick update. So Anker's in. Alex is doing the Doncaster PV Ultra forecourt. So that's going into the trunking. Little sub board on. I'm not quite ready for the panels yet, but I'll run those up to Nick once he's ready. Batteries are on. Yeah, we're winning on this one. Hopefully this week's a lot faster than, or a lot better than last week. One of the beauties with the Ankers as well, it does commission pretty quick. We shouldn't be here too late. And then maybe even grab some dinner on the way home. What are we fancying, Alex?
Ooh, KFC?
KFC maybe. Cool. Right, we're going to crack on with that. I'll show you the roof once Nick's all done. Of course we're having solar skirt as always because it looks the bee's knees. Anker is updating. So we've got a 6 kilowatt inverter, 2 5 kilowatt batteries, little DB to supply that, AC isolator, DC isolator, Doncaster PV Ultra. We are putting an Anker EV charger which will go over to that side and go out the wall, but I forgot to order it, so that's coming. This has gone smooth. If this is the start of what it's going to be like all week, then I was so happy. The downside is I have lost one of the DJI microphones, so I'm going to try and search for that, potentially in the bin. Anyway, back to the system. Yeah, system's updating. Software's going through, so potentially that'll be done in what, 10 minutes or so. We're at 50% now. So yeah, Nick's just got the solar skirt. It's an absolutely glorious day for it. A radiance meter is off the chart at greater than 1,000 watts a square meter. So fingers crossed we get this commissioned whilst it's sunny. Customer can benefit from the rest of the day with generation. We can go home, have the KFC, and yeah, go from there. day one done, install one done. So you've seen the anchor system, fantastic affordable battery storage system. I really like it.
You back up here, bud?
No, I'm all good, all done. Roof's all done. Nick's just on his way round, on his way down. So let me spin the camera around. There we have it, 14 panels, solar skirt, the lot, done. Pack up. I'm sad I've lost the microphone, but such is life. I actually feel like I've lost the second microphone as well. You've got to be kidding me. I think I have. So it's 7 o'clock, just got back home. Job's gone well, install's done, commissioned, handed over, perfect. Despite the fact we need to go back and put an EV charger on. More frustratingly is I've now lost 2 DJI Mini microphones, which is frustrating. Hopefully they're in the back somewhere. That's me out for today. Another early start tomorrow to unload the van, reload it, sort the other lads out. We've got a battery installed tomorrow and a full installation as well going on. Busy day. See you in the morning. Good morning. Day 2 of the vlog. Van 1 is getting loaded up in a second. Van 2 is loaded up. Nick's loaded up. We've got 14 panels in here. I'm putting the SIG Energy stuff in my van. Let me spin you around and show you what we've got today. So Matt's picking his things up. Gateway, SIG Energy battery, Doncaster cables. Mine's having the SIG Energy stuff. We've got that aircon to do on Thursday. 2 anchor gateways, Tesla Powerwall, and that in-roof system. So a very, very busy week. Yesterday went really well. That's all signed off and commissioned today. I have though lost both of those microphones, which I'm really knocked off about. I'm going to get the lads loaded up, quick trip to the dentist for me, and then I'm going to head over to my site, leave the lads on theirs, and see how we get on. Over at one of the first jobs, so we can't get inside because they're getting the floors poured. It's a bit inconvenient. We'll get the batteries in the garage mounted. We've got DC cable coming down the wall, which we need to get into the garage. Back of the house, I'll just spin the camera around. Maybe leaving get the drone up, but this is the solar. Let me show you. So we've got 6 panels there, 3 panels there, 3 on the other side. It's looking absolutely tidy, that is. So I've not introduced you to Alex yet. So Alex started this week and we've just had a bit of an accident. So if you remember the concrete pourers that came before, well, they were trying to clean the pipes, so to speak. Let me show you this. Right, so let me show you where we're up to. We've built a small little frame. Battery and inverter is on the wall. Obviously we can't get in the house because the concrete's just been poured, so DC connections and Modbus meter, CT can't get done. So we're going to get batteries, inverters cabled, trunking on, AC isolators, DC isolators, and see where we get on. Yeah. I hope the week stays sort of like this. The lads seem to be doing okay on the other job, although, so they're inverterless, probably cursing me. So we get on. So another late night, what day are we on, Wednesday. Not done much filming today, it's just been chaos. So I've come back up to Barrow to put the Anchor EV on. That's gone on now, so that took me about an hour, but it's 2.5 hours each way, which is not ideal. It's now nearly 9 o'clock. Yeah, it's just been one of them weeks. Installs have been completed, but at a lot of expense of faffing about. So that's done. I did an anchor gateway, first anchor gateway I've done. I did that today. Matty and Nick have finished the installation. I just need to go and hand it over to the customer tomorrow because he wasn't in. And then we've got an air conditioning tomorrow. Honestly, there's just not enough hours in the day, but we're making progress. Jobs are getting completed, customers are happy, inquiries are coming in. What more could you ask for? So yeah, Bit rubbish for filming today. Hopefully we get something better tomorrow. See you in the morning, another bright and early one. Thursday, nearly the end of the week. We've nearly made it. Didn't get back until late yesterday doing that anchor EV. Got it sorted in the end. So that's done. Today we're on air conditioning. So we've got a Mitsubishi heavy industry AC to do. It's what the customer spec'd. We normally go with Toshiba, but today we're doing Mitzi. That's all loaded up. I've got my new Testo leak detection as well, because I like buying fancy gadgets apparently. That's done. We're going to get over to there, possibly look at another aircon job for a pump down as well. One of the downfalls of running a business is the amount of waste we get. I mean, look at the state of all of this. That's our excess cardboard, and the bin's full. I reckon the driver's going to be fuming. Let me give you a bit of an update as to what we're on. We are over at the air conditioning project, over here. I did the solar on this, I think 10-11 years ago. Now we're doing the air conditioning. Let me show you what we're on with. Existing unit was behind me there. It was an old 410A unit, which we recovered the gas for, reclaimed it, that'll get weighed in and disposed of. And we've got an R32 unit, Toshiba, no we're not. Unit was up behind me. It's an old R410 unit, which we've swapped out for this Mitsubishi heavy industry R32 unit. So we've recovered the gas, put that into the cylinder so that'll get recycled and disposed of correctly. New pipework's going in, new cables going in, new power supplies going in, because this is fed from the outdoor unit to the indoor unit, whereas previously on the older system it was indoor unit to outdoor unit. A couple of little nightmares. The majority of the house is a spur off a spur, so we're trying to find a point where we can fuse down further downstream to protect that whole sort of spur. And yeah, so we're on with that. I'll show you the inside and show you what we're up against. Old unit was here, obviously we've covered everything up. New unit is there, straight at the back wall, down the gable. Really? I didn't pick any more. That is Thursday boxed off. Obviously aircon has gone in pretty well. Bruce is over at another job doing a pump down and recovery on a system that's being moved. We've just tied it up. I tell you, the amount of rubbish we go through in a week is unbelievable. So we're tidying the van. What have we got tomorrow? Tesla Powerwall. Yep, Powerwall 3 and 9 in-roof panels on a new build site. And then it's the weekend. Which reminds me, I'm going to watch Harry Styles in Wembley. Can't wait. Anyway, yeah, that's Thursday boxed off. Join us again tomorrow and I'll show you around the building site that we're working on. One of the plots is done, second plot to go. See you in the morning. It's Friday and we're back. We've got a Tesla Powerwall, an in-roof system to go on a building site. Alex and Nick have just loaded up and happily I found a microphone that we lost earlier on in the week. Alfie's in today having a good tidy up of the unit, checking our stock levels. Yeah, we're going to pack up now the remaining bits, head over to site and let me show you what we've got going on there. It's actually a pretty decent looking site. See you on the road. I think if I survive this week, it'll be a godsend. So on the building site now, they've changed the design, so there's a couple of Lux windows and things. We've got a combat. So I'm getting hold of CCL, who provided us with the in-roof system. They're just doing a new layout, sending us the parts we're going to be short, because obviously we need more corners, more flashing kits. So that should be here for Monday. Nick will be panelling on Monday. We have already done this house. And in fact, I'll take you around the back and show you. Nick and Alex are getting the panels on that house, getting the in-roof trays up there, new battens, everything else. Plot 3's done, but I'm going to be putting the Tesla Powerwall into that plot today. Hopefully electrically, that's finished off today. Ideally, because I need to go skydiving indoor skydiving at 5:30, so we need to be done today. But if I spin the camera around, here is the property that we've already done. So there's obviously 4 panels at the bottom, 4 on the top, GSC in roof, power walls going in the garage to the left. This is plot 2, which we're starting today. We were going under that window, or that dormer so to speak, which would have been nice and tidy, but they've changed their mind and want to run it up the side, which is a bit of a shame. And then we're going on the side of that property as well. And again, that design's been changed because there's a dormer window there. So yeah, a lot to be getting on with. We've got an order coming from the suppliers that we need to actually order for Monday for panels. I forgot the gateway, I've left the gateway at work. So Holly's bringing that over now. Yeah, so fingers crossed we get a good start on it. So this is where we're putting the system. Power wall at the bottom, bit of trunking, gateway. We're going to leave a Henley block so the electrician on site can fit a subboard and send it off to various parts of the house. But that's what we're working with. Nice little bit of space. Yeah, tidy job. DC cable runs over. We'll clip that up, drop that down. Let's get on with it. Hello. So we're through, that's where the tails are going to go to, the meter board. Fantastic. Bit of trunking, some isolators, jobs are good done. Okay, progress update. We're just getting the DC strings in now. They're plugged in. Isolator's done, meter's done. Got the gateway to wire. We've not filmed for the past half an hour because everything that could have gone wrong seems to have gone wrong. Probably don't want that on camera, but it's looking good. We're going to get this in today. What an eventful day this has been. We're still waiting for delivery, but we are all done on the battery. Let me show you. Battery system's done. Gateway's on, warning labels, stickers, DC isolators. We've put a temporary garage supply in, which they're going to take some circuits off. AC isolator, generation meter, battery is all done. It's been yeah, fun and games to say the least, but we are all done. There we are, another week done. We didn't quite finish everything we wanted to get done this week, but we've made a very, very good dent in the week. A couple of installs done and completed. Yeah, overall, quite a productive week. Next week, I've got a job I've been dreading. So the job isn't difficult itself. It's I think it's a 16 panel SIG energy installation. It's down in Kent and it's on another electrician's house. I've never worked on another electrician's house, so there's a lot of pressure there. Yeah, so until next time, I'll see you then.